The Food and Drug Administration of the Philippines on Monday orders French pharmaceutical company Sanofi Pasteur to pull out its Dengvaxia vaccine from the market, pending compliance with the directives of the FDA. The FDA also orders Sanofi to conduct an information dissemination campaign through advisories, Dear Doctor letters, and patient fora. Before the FDA order, Sanofi said that while they had stopped the sale of the vaccine, there has been no product recall. The drug company says suppliers agreed to allow the company to inform health practitioners about the proposal for a new label to help their patients assess the risks and benefits of the vaccine. Last week, Sanofi said clinical studies showed Dengvaxia poses more risks for recipients who had no prior infection. DOH, which purchased 3.5 billion pesos worth of the vials in early 2016, said more than 700,000 Filipino youth have been given the vaccine under the government's mass immunization program. It said 70,000 of them are at risk of more severe types of dengue in about 2 years after getting the vaccine. A Quezon City court orders the arrest of public transport leader George San Mateo for organizing a jeepney strike in February. San Mateo, president of the Pinagkaisang Samahan ng mga Tsuper at Operator Nationwide, or Piston, is charged with violation of the public service law. Bail is set at 4,000 pesos. The Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board earlier filed a complaint against San Mateo for leading a transport strike in February and another strike in October. During both strikes, Piston asked the government to stop the jeepney modernization program. It also asked for a dialogue with President Rodrigo Duterte. Both requests were denied. LTFRB board member Eileen Lizada earlier said jeepney drivers are not allowed to hold strikes or they will lose their permits to operate. Piston planned to go on strike Monday and Tuesday but scrapped the plan in response to the appeal of Senator Grace Poe, chair of the Senate Committee on Public Services. Poe asked transport groups to call off the strike, saying she would call for a committee meeting on Thursday to discuss the transport groups' concerns. The United States Supreme Court on Monday says the American government could fully enforce a revised ban on travelers from 6 mainly Muslim countries pending appeal. The court stays October rulings from 2 lower courts that blocked implementation of the ban on visitors from Chad, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Syria, and Yemen, while legal challenges to it continued. The third version of U.S. President Donald Trump's travel ban, unveiled in September, drew immediate challenges in federal appeals courts in Richmond, Virginia, and San Francisco, California. Plaintiffs said the measure targets Muslims in violation of the U.S. Constitution and did not advance security goals as the government claimed.